Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're all welcome to Buncryp Academy Bitcoin daily analysis and news updates. So, this morning we are going to take a recap of what we did yesterday. So, as you can see in my charts, you will notice that yesterday we had some projections about where we were anticipating the price to move. So, and as we can see, price respected the zones which we mentioned in our yesterday video, only that except one zone was where price failed to reach our point. So this is the place. So I would say that was a little oversight on our parts. So but in that case we understood what happened. So but the whole projected plan worked, but and yet still we still are keeping eyes on that zone, although we know that price is going to smash it through when it comes to that point. So then you can see that price have respected our projected levels very well, and this morning we have nothing much to say about price movement, apart from the fact that these positions, this low you see here, if you are if you placed buy order in that place, is a 44,500 USD, or let's say 44,100 USD. Yeah, so if you place buy position there, please we would advise you to wait for due confirmation, or possibly negate that position, because we are anticipating that they are going to overrun buy stops at this place. We are expecting that they are going to overrun buy stop at this place. So if you want to follow our zones, this analysis, what we do is to give you zones to watch out for or to trade with, but we are not telling you to do what, to trade or not to trade. You are left to make the decision on your own. Then let's not forget, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Then if you know someone who is trading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, this video are very important, so you can share it with him or her. Then today we are anticipating the price to come to our third position, which is 43,424. So we are anticipating price to come to that position before it zooms off. So like I said, we don't have much talk today in our analysis. We have already talked about this position yesterday, and price respected that. We talked about this position, although we didn't reach up to that, but we have to smash the second level below it. So today we are expecting price to smash this position. So as if price smashes this position and moves up, then we'll now give you an update of where we are anticipating price to go to. So meanwhile, we also might be watching this zone. If price reaches our position for a possible pullback, that is this $48,900 USD zone. So we'll be watching that zone keenly. If price touches the down zone, so you cannot see it here. So that zone is of big importance to us. So we'll be watching that zone very well, so to know how to better use it. So like I said before, there is nothing much to talk about in today's analysis, apart from what I've just said. And like I told you guys before, missing that previous position was just little oversights on our own. So but things are going the direction we have in mind, so we will watch it and see how it goes. So that's that for the morning update and analysis. You can see it here in my chart. So if you move over to the daily time frame, we can notice that we are anticipating price to bounce up from this place. Then the second point we are waiting for price to react is at this place, this position. Sorry. Yeah, that's where we are anticipating price to react. So I want you guys to watch out for that position. So today's news, let's have a brief overview of today's news. Today's news, we have some few stuffs, especially the one that says BNB price in the green as financial watchdog give Binance Exchange regulatory green light. And you can see it also at another report by Crypto Potato that says UK regulators, we can't supervise Binance properly. Then we have another one that says SEC filings show Morgan Stanley holds 1 million shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Then we have another important one that says assessing the odds of Bitcoin ETF being launched by October. So you can check out this news yourself and find out more detail about that. Then flash updates, we have a very sharp news update. This one is about Solana. So we have a upgrade, sorry, not Solana upgrade, we have a new release that is Pythnetwork. This Pythnetwork is somehow similar to Chainlink, but this one is very different. So it's an Oracle chain. So this Oracle chain will be used across currently is built on Solana blockchain. It's a very big news for Solana, and I did a brief review on Solana recently, so I want you guys to check it out and find out more about it. So this one is about Solana, and it's partnered with so many big institutions. Popular one I believe you guys should know about is FTX, CoinShares, BitStore, BSC, Genesis Global Trading. So this is a very big news. So it's going to have bring a very live pricing of crypto assets, and this is not just this is not pump and dump or a coin that if you invest in, that is the Pythnetwork. So in anticipation, I'm going to do a review on Pythnetwork. So this is not pump and dump. This is a real life utility token that is going to see its value increase in an organic way. And as we are speaking currently, some projects are currently or set to use it, and some of those projects are Cyber Labs, Mango Market, and Bonfire. And in no distant time, they are going to also make it to be interoperable with other blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Terra. So this way is going to make it to be highly interoperable, and the data in which it collects to give you a very live pricing is not from one source. So it is going to collect data from different sources, including US crypto, US equities, foreign exchange, forex, and commodities. So, and it works in sub-seconds. So this one, I can vividly tell you, is faster than Solana. Sorry, than Chainlink. So it's very, very fast. So it's a very big win-win. I want you guys to watch out for this coin. So like I told you before, I would do it's going to launch 26th of August, so that should be tomorrow. So I'm gonna do a few review recap on this coin so that we'll get to know more about it. So then let us take a good look at Bitcoin open interest today and see how far it went and know if there is something we can get from that. Then we'll get to close today's morning review. So Bitcoin open interest, just as we can see, we rallied well today. So let's see what we have from let's see what we have today. Okay, use 30 minutes for more visibility. Okay, so as you guys can see, just like I have been stressing previously, let me make it to be a magnified screen so that we'll get to understand what I'm saying. Sorry, let me remove this thing. Okay. So like I told you guys before, if you notice when this move, although we were anticipating here, but this was the actual zones. Actually, that was an overlook from us, so we apologize for that, but it still worked out the way we were expecting it to do at this point. So we apologize for that oversight or overlook, but yes, we understood what happened. So I don't know if you guys have noticed something as this move was moving up. I think I highlighted it yesterday. Yeah, pointed it out yesterday. You notice that there was a decrease in open interest. There was a sharp decrease in open interest. And what was this signifying? It's signifying that this is a weak move. So it is always good we compare our move with open interest and see what you can get from it. So you can see that it shows that this is a weak move. So when you are trading our zones, for you to be on the safe side, you can actually watch how the strength of the movement towards that zone. For example, before this zone, which we predicted was peaked at this point, you can notice that open interest was not moving. It was stagnant or weak. You see what happened. So but when you see that a trend is strong, what are you going to see? An increase that you can see here now. And this bearish momentum now is high, going to meet our point. So but we are still watching to see how that is going to. Okay, sorry, okay. So but in this, okay, okay, so that's it. So but the point there I want to emphasize on is when you see a full-fledged trend like this, let's go back, get what you want to get. So the point of emphasis, it doesn't happen, you don't see it in all scenarios, and it doesn't happen all the time. So for example, look at this move, higher high and lower low. You can see it. What you see in open interest is what is increasing. What does it tell you? That this is a strong downtrend. The downtrend, down movement is what is strong. That's what it's telling you. Look at it here. That the downtrend is strong. So you wouldn't want to buy against these trends like that. So you have to be very, very cautious. But at this point now, we noticed a slight decline. So giving us a little bit indication that our point is going to hold. So that was what happened. But you see this move here, what are you seeing? Declining open interest. So that is what we can see in opening first. Then let's see what happened in opening first this morning and have a very short recap. So here's my screen. So I'm sorry for that noise. It's one of my roommates. So now there's something you can be able to draft from what I said earlier now. So you can see that this downward move now is experiencing a spike in open interest. So we can say that we are anticipating a sharp downward move to our position, the position we said we are waiting for. So but we are expecting or anticipating that before it reaches that zone, that the open interest will decrease, so we will confirm our position. But whichever way it turns out, we'll talk about it in our next video. So so that is what we have for the open interest analysis this morning. So you can actually see or notice that observation here. Also, you can see that's our first position which kicked off this. So you can see something here. You can see an increasing trend, declining open interest, shows you weak trend, a downward trend, an increasing open interest, show you what? Strong bearish trend. So towards that end, we'll find out more. So thank you all for listening to today's morning broadcast. So this is Buncryp Academy. We do daily analysis here in Buncryp Academy, and also we also do coin reviews. If you have not subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to do so. And if you know someone who benefits from our analysis, we would like you to pass the information to the person. So with that, we say happy trading and have a nice day.